guys, welcome back to my channel for a CVS haul video. Thanks for joining me, and if you're just here for the first time, I would like to welcome you and I hope you become a part of this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and I wish everyone a happy new week. First deal I have is on Chic disposable razors. They're on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy 2 you get $4 back. You can also pick up the Skintimate if that's what you want. I'm going to pick up 2. Last week we received a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and today we also received another 5 off 2. Both coupons will double dip and take off 10. I'm going to add a 2 off 6 Chic CRT that will drop it down to $2, and I'll pay 2 and get $4 back, making this 2 free and $2 money maker. The next deal I'll pick up will be the Garnier Fructis hair care. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon today, and if you still have your 3 off 2 from last week, both are going to double dip. But I did this deal on this account last week, so I only have this 3 off 2. I have a $1 off any Garnier Fructis CRT, and I have another 2 off 6 hair care CRT. The coupon and the CRTs will take off $6, dropping it down to 2. I'll pay the $2 and get $3 back, making this 2 free and $1 money maker. I'm going to do these 2 deals in one transaction, and I'll be back with my receipt. Let's go over my receipt and see how it all worked out. The 2 Chic digital coupon double dipped and took off $10, and the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis came off as well. All the CRTs are applied. I have a 3 off your next purchase CRT that I used in this transaction. Paid just $1 out of pocket, and I got back $4 for buying 2 of the Chic razor and $3 back for buying 2 of the Garnier Fructis. Because I used the $3 free CRT, this transaction ended up being a $6 money maker. Next deal I'm picking up is Crest Toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get back $5 extra care box. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Crest Pro Health, and I'm picking up the Advanced Gum Protection because this is the only one attaching to the $4 digital coupon. I have a 2 off 6 Oral Care CRT I will add to this deal. Taking off the $4 coupon and the $2 CRT is going to drop it down to $1.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both free and $3.02 money maker. I did the Crest Toothpaste deal by itself, and the $4 coupon came off. One thing I forgot to mention is when I scanned this item on the app, the $2 coupon we got last week is not attaching to it. The 2 of 6 applied. I did not use any extra care box with this deal. I paid the $1.98 out of pocket, and I got back $5. The next deal I picked up is on Vaseline. On the deal of spend 12 get $4 back. I'll pick up the spray moisturizer. Here it says $10.49. But on the app it says $9.29, so I'm going to ask them to adjust the price. To complete this deal, I'll pick up the body butter priced at $7.29, but on the app it says $6.99. I will ask the cashier to adjust the price. These 2 items will total $16.28. I have a $2 email CRT for any hand and body lotion, and I'll use 2 $1 coupon that I got from Unilever email. This will drop it down to $12.28, and I'll get $4 back, making both just $8.28 or $4.14 each. Let's go over my receipt and see how it worked out. The 2 coupons applied. The $2 CRTs also came off. I ended up using just $11.08 to pay for this. Paid just $1.20 out of pocket, and I got back $4 for buying 2. The next deal I'm picking up will be on Wick. Before I explain this deal, I would like to apologize for the video I posted earlier on. I said spend 15 get 3 back. But this deal is buy 2 get $3 extra care box back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. I'm going to pick up one of the 2 counts refill priced at $11.29, and I'll pick up the next one priced at $9.29. The one that will be half off will be the cheaper priced one, which will be the $9.29. It will drop down to $4.75. These 2 will total $16.04. We currently don't have any coupon in our app for these 2 items, and you cannot use percentage of CRT because they're on sale. Unless you have a next purchase CRT, then you can include it to the transaction. But without any coupon, I'm just going to pay the $16.04, and I'll get back $3 for buying 2, and I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta because it's giving back $4 on each item. When I did this deal in the store, the offer is no longer on the main page. You have to go under the list to find it. After the $8 from Ibotta and the $3 extra care box, these two will end up costing just $5.04 or $2.52 each. Since we don't have any coupons for these two items, I used $15 extra care box, paid just $1.24 out of pocket, and I got back $3 extra care box, submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $4 on each. I got back a total of $8 from Ibotta, making these two items just $5.04 or $2.52 each. Next deal I'm picking up is spend 20 get $10 bag, and Eucerin facial care and body lotion are part of this deal. I'm at the facial care section because I have a 2 of 8 Eucerin facial care CRT, and I'll pick up the advanced repair lotion priced at $13.49. To complete this deal, I'll pick up the intensive repair lotion 5 ounces priced at $7.49 here, but on the app it says $6.99. So I'm going to ask them to adjust the price for me, which will make these two total $20.48. I have this $2 tier pad that I will use, and we also have a $2 digital coupon that will also apply to this. Using the 2 of 8 CRT I received, that will drop it down to $14.48, and I'll get 10 back. And check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on the big lotion. After the $2 back from Ibotta, it will end up making these two just $2.48 or $1.24 each. This transaction worked out very well. The 2 coupons applied. The 2 of 8 also came off. I ended up using $14 in extra care box, paid just $48 out of pocket, and I got back the $10 for the spend 20, submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2, making this transaction just $2.48 or $1.24 each. I'm going to pick up some General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99. It's not giving back any extra care box, so I'll pick up 2 of the Cheerios, and I'll pick up 1 Lucky Charm. These 3 would total $5.98. Everyone have a $1 off 2 digital coupon if you didn't use yours last week. And I also received a 2 off 6 cereal CRT in my email. The coupon and the CRT will take off $3, dropping it down to $2.98. And I will submit my receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. And I'll also submit my receipt to Fetch for 1,500 points for buying 3. I have another offer on Fetch that will track. That will be 1,100 points for buying 5 boxes. This will be 3 going towards the 5. After all these rebates, these 3 boxes will end up free. On Saturday, I used the 20% off CRT, hoping to trigger the 10 of 70 that we normally get in our email. But I ended up getting a $2 off your next purchase CRT, and I used it in this transaction. The coupon came off, the 2 of 6 came off as well. I ended up paying just 97 cents out of pocket, submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back 50 cents on each box, a total of $1.50. Submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got back 1,500 points for buying 3 boxes, and they are tracking for the buy 5, get 1,100 points. After the whole rebate, these 3 boxes ended up being free and $1.03 moneymaker. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'm sorry for the mix up with the Wick. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.